Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, I'm making a video on GBPUSD after 3 or 4 days, I believe, and there have been many requests, so I had to make the video. I'll try to keep the video short. So first of all, dollar steady after Fed's rate pauses, yen rises. Dollar was steady on Friday near 7-week lows as nervousness over the banking system kept investors skittish and traders absorbed the Federal Reserve's hint of a pause to interest rate hikes. After FOMC, we got to see a big drop on the chart of DXY because Fed pointed out that there will be a pause on the interest rate hikes. After making a low of 101.93, we could see recovery on the chart of DXY. And the news, if we followed news, then it says that market has absorbed the pause of the interest rate hikes. As a result, we can see recovery on the chart of US dollar. And in my previous videos of Euro USD and gold that I uploaded today, I have clearly mentioned that on the chart of DXY, 102.85 to 102.67 will play a big role today because we have used Fibonacci tool, my favorite, and we have derived this level with the considering both the highs here. You can see I have used Fibonacci from both the levels and I have derived 102.85 to 102.67. This is the resistance zone for the day. If DXY really wants to continue the uptrend, then DXY will have to break this level. Apart from Fibonacci, we can also see that there was strong support around this area in the past. So as a result, previous support will also be acting as the new resistance for the market. So there is a possibility that market will face some trouble, and already we can see that market is showing signs of reversal. So after a few hours, if market fails, then yes, there is a possibility that market will be continuing the downtrend, because after all, DXY is under the dominance of sellers, and if DXY wants to continue the uptrend, then it will have to break this level. So DXY is a critical level. My dear friends, if you trade on any USD pair, whether it is GBPUSD, Euro USD, Gold USD, it doesn't matter, but your one eye should be on DXY at least for Friday. Clear? Now let's jump to GBPUSD. So right now the pair is standing at 1.2270. So for Friday, I have two trading levels, okay, two opportunities that I see on the chart of GBPUSD that I would like to discuss. First of all, the market is an uptrend that we cannot deny. The trend line was acting as dynamic support and market has broke the trend line here. So first of all, if DXY reverses from that particular zone, then we will get to see upside on the chart of GBPUSD. If you have already a buy position, you can be on the trade, no need to exit. But on the other hand, if DXY breaks 102.90 or that particular resistance zone, then we will get to see sell on the chart of GBPUSD. So if GBPUSD breaks 1.2250 level, the black line here, if GBPUSD breaks this level, then there's a possibility that market will be going down, and at least you can look for a profit of 30 to 40 pips. But as I always say, okay, trend is your friend. Okay, you should always follow the trend of the market. So if you're a beginner, if you're new to the market, not in a position to lose any money right now, then this kind of trading opportunities should not be in your watch list. Okay, this opportunity does not deserve your attention because discipline is the only thing that makes a trader profitable. So discipline. Okay, so if you have the risk appetite, okay, if you know how to follow risk management, then you can consider taking a sell position below this level here. Otherwise, this should not be any opportunity for you. Okay, the best trading spot, okay, that I see on the chart of GBPUSD right now is around this green box here, 1.2216. Okay, 1.2216 to 1.2200. 1.2200 was also a resistance zone in the market before a few days. So this is a support zone on the chart of GBP USD right now. And the reason is, as we can clearly see, that market is respecting Fibonacci 23.6 here. So in case market drops in this uptrend market, definitely we can expect that market will get some support around the FIBO 38.2 as well. And FIBO 38.2 is a better in comparison to FIBO 23.6. So if market bounces from this level, we can definitely go for a buy position. Apart from Fibonacci, we can also see that market has also taken support around this area previously. Plus 1.2200 was a resistance previously, which will be acting as the new support. So if we combine all the factors, then yes, 1.2216 to 1.2200 is a good support zone, at least for the Friday trading session. If market drops suddenly, then we can expect a buy position around this area. So these are the two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP USD. This is a risky level. If you want to go for it, you can go for it. Personally, I may avoid. Okay, but this is a level I will be taking a trade if market bounces according to my expectation. Apart from these two levels, I will not be suggesting any resistance on the chart of GBP USD, because we can clearly see a clean uptrend market. And moreover, we also have a news coming up during the US session, that is the PMI. So yes, market will show some volatility again. Please be careful. As I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Capital protection should be your first priority always. So if possible, close down all your US dollar positions before the news, so that if something bad happens, you do not lose all the profits that you have earned throughout the week. Okay, so this is all about GBP USD. Okay, if I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Lastly, I think that this level, okay, the previous high made by the market, okay, has the potential of acting as the resistance, at least for this week. Okay, so this is the last thing I want to say about GBP USD. So whenever you see a market like this, okay, whenever you see a trending market, the number of opportunities are quite less, so you need to be very, very attentive with the market. And secondly, as we all know, after FOMC, market was extremely volatile, and yesterday we had zero opportunities almost. Okay, so as a result, market, okay, we need to give some time to the market so that it can settle down and we can get some opportunities. More or less, we can see the market is giving us signs that, okay, this is my trend right now. Okay, so as a result, we can come up with these levels. So though we do not have much levels right now, hopefully by next week we will get further, okay, a few more opportunities to trade. Let's wait and watch. Be careful. Okay, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management, okay, and do your own research and analysis. Bye bye, take care.